In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image into a circle in Canva. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can do this, but I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest method. So let's jump straight into it, and I'm going to start by opening a new project. Once you have your Canva document open, you need to head over to Elements in the left-hand side. From this list of navigation options, you need to scroll across and select Frame. Then beneath Frames, click on this See All button, and you need to locate the circle from the list. Once you've added your circle, then head over to Uploads from the left-hand side. Find or upload the image that you want to convert into a circle. So I'll be using this rectangular image over here. And we're just going to simply drag this onto the circle, and as you can see, it automatically fills up the space. If you need to reposition the image, then you simply need to double-click on it. And you can reposition it like so. Once you're happy with the placement, we can also resize the circle by dragging the edges. And once you have your finished image, we just need to hit share in the top right hand side, and then we can go ahead and download the image. Now, in order to make this image transparent and cut out this white rectangular background, you'll need to select the transparent background option, which does require the Pro version. Now, if you don't have the Pro version, there is a workaround that we can use to keep this circular effect. And I'll go ahead and show you that now. So I'm just going to download this as a PNG, click on download. So as you can see, here's our file, but we still have this white background on the sides of it. So to get rid of this, you just need to head over to an internet browser. Head over to a search engine and type in crop circle from image. Click on this free online tool at the top here, this crop-circle one. Scroll down and select upload image. Click on the image that you want to crop. Then just go ahead and resize your image to fit within this circle crop. Once you're happy with the placement, click on crop circle. And as you can see, this has now removed the background. So if I click download image, we now have our final image without the white background. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.